Hi guys, let me show write a C++ program to print the size of the floating point values. So here this is the very important very small program in this here, and we have to find the size of the floating point value in this computer. So watch here, I had to write a very small program that was very small program and very easy to understand everyone. So I have to write a little bit program. So the program is at here. So watch here. Oh my god, this is very simple program is I have to write it. So watch here, first we have to explain this program right now. So first is the header file hashing to divostream.h. So this is the header file. The header files are most important in the C++. So in IOStream means input output stream.h. So in the C++ we have to give the C in and C out statements. We have to use this IOStream.h. So in the C++ we have also use the printf and scanf statement. The type of statement we have to use the stdio.h. So now here we have to use the only C in C out statement. So we have to use the input output stream.h. So now here this is the main function. The main function is given here, or in main or void main we have to give that. Now see out the size of the floating point variable on. So here this is the one normal print statement. So this computer is size of float and close that. So here this is the very important line. So here I think this is the correct. So now that this was very important. So now here this was very important, and we have written 0. So here this is the program, and the size of float we have to print the size of float is there. So now that is the program, and I have to show the output on this program with writing my Turbo C++ IDE, and I have to show the output. So now first we have to enter the location. The location is in C drive and the TC. So now in that we have to go to bin. So in that we have to get the, so here this is the program and we have to ignore. So now here this is the Turbo C++ IDE is there, and in that C++ in the Turbo C the mouse doesn't work. So in the Turbo C++ the mouse has been worked at here. Now here go to file and click new. So here we have to type the program that was hash include iostream.h and main. Now see out the size of floating point variable on \n. Now see out this computer is size of watch here. So size of is a predefined data type. Now float. So now I have to close with a \n. Now return 0. So now close it. So here this is the program, and this time we have to compile this file. So in the Turbo C and C++ we have to compile the file. Press Alt plus F5, we have to compile it. So press Alt plus F5. The total compile lines compiled is 883, and the errors is 0 and warnings is 0. So here there is no another way to compile this. So in this is the top of the menu, the file, edit, search, the compile is there. Now click compile. So here we have to compile it. So now the compilation is started. Now here, so this time we have to execute it. Now Control plus F9. The program will execute, but output has not seen because you do not get the getch method. So the output has not seen. So here we have to see the output. So now press Alt plus F5 to see the output. So the size of the floating point variable on this computer is 4. So here that is the program floating size of the floating point number of this program on this computer. So this is the way to find the size of floating point value. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.